Hi, I'm Zal. This is Adobe Lightroom Mobile tutorial that show you how I do the editing to get the preset that I call Black X White. And this how some example photos look before and after the editing. You can also get this preset for free through the download link on the description below. The download link is protected by a passcode, and you can get a passcode by watching this video. The passcode will appear separately twice at certain times at the upper right of this video. Find the pieces of the passcode, combine them, and you have the passcode. So now, let's begin the editing. Open the photo in the Lightroom apps and go to the Light menu. Exposure 0.20, contrast 20, highlights -50, shadows 30, whites -10, and black 15. After the light adjustments here are done, then go to the tone curve. The only tone curve that I adjust here is the RGB tone curve. It's the gray circle one. I'm gonna adjust this tone curve, and you can just follow the adjustment I made. After that, tap done. Next, go to the color menu to adjust the color. Temperature 10. Tint 5. Vibrance 20. Saturation -4. Then go to the color grading. Here, the color grading that adjusts are the shadows and highlights. Select the shadows grading. Hue 220. Saturation 15. Luminance 10. I also adjust the blending and the balance of this grading. Blending 80. Balance 50. Then select the highlights grading. Hue 220. Saturation 15. Luminance -50. After that, tap down. Then go to the color mix. Red color, hue -10, saturation 10, luminance -20, orange color, hue -5, saturation 15, luminance 10, yellow color, hue -20, saturation -100, green color, hue -100, saturation -100, cyan color, hue -100, saturation -100, blue color, hue -100, saturation -100, purple color, hue -100, saturation -100, magenta color, hue -100, saturation -100. After that, tap down. Next, go to the Effect menu. Texture 10, Clarity 15, Dehice 10, Vignette -40, Midpoint 40, Feather 60, Roundness 20. Next, go to the Details menu. Sharpening 20, Noise Reduction 5, Color Noise Reduction 5. The editing for this photo has been completed, and this is the before and after the editing of this photo. Now it's time to try this editing setting to some other photos and make some adjustments if necessary, depend on the next other photo's condition. This photo becomes a little darker and warmer, so I'll make some adjustments. Go to the Light menu. Exposure to 0.50. Shadows to 40. Blacks to 20. Then go to the Color menu. Temperature to 4. it looks better now. Next photo. This photo also becomes a little darker and warmer, so I'll make some adjustments as well. Go to the light menu, exposure to 0.40, then go to the color menu, temperature to 4. It looks better now. Next photo. This photo already looks fine with the setting, so I'm not gonna do any adjustment here. Next photo. This photo also already looks fine with the setting, so I'm not gonna do any adjustment. Next photo. This one only looks a little darker, so I'm just gonna make it look brighter. Go to the light menu, exposure to 0.40, shadows to 50. Well, it looks better now. Alright, this is the last photo, so this tutorial ends here. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Please feel free to subscribe this channel, also like, comment, and share this video. Wish you are healthy, happy, and have a good day.